Test Modeler automatically builds the smallest set of tests with optimal test coverage, avoiding time wasted writing repetitious tests. Automated test design generates the perfect test cases from flowcharts that are quick to build and easy to maintain. The optimized test can cover all modeled logic, or risk-based testing can target recently changed or buggy logic to catch more bugs pre-release. With Test Modeler, QA teams no longer waste time creating and updating repetitive test cases in spreadsheets or ALM tools. They simply update central models, auto-populating tests across connected tooling. Reusable subflows make it quick and simple to model the most complex systems, dragging and dropping building blocks to visual flowcharts. Systematic test generation then creates end-to-end tests with matching data for rapid and reliable integration testing. The smaller test suites further produce smaller, less cumbersome datasets, saving further time in result analysis. One click converts the compact, comprehensive tests into automated tests, avoiding unnecessary scripting and testing complex systems in short sprints. Create the perfect test cases built for you with Test Modeler. Visit testmodeler.io to find out more or start your free trial today.